When non-Black Latinas speak out about being hypersexualized and over-sexualized, it's completely valid. And I find it interesting that the very same things they point out about being hypersexualized, they do the exact and worst when we're talking about Black women in Latin America and the Caribbean. Black women are globally stereotyped, troped, and devalued. And this is especially a thing in Spanish-speaking Latin America and the Caribbean, among other places, and people who are from there and migrating out of the region. Very long history and continues to present day because we still get messages like this. You see it in media. I was watching this old-ass Red 2 movie, and this is what I was assaulted with.
Mientras tú andas por ahí salvando el planeta con espías internacionales trigueñas.
¿Trigueñas? Morenas, sensuales.
Ya sé lo que son, Marvin.
I'm not hanging out in some bunker while you sleep around and save the planet with Dusky International. That's house.
Dusky? Dark, smoldering.
I know what it means, Marvin.